Clothes floating in the air, on the floor, on the walls, open house, bathroom stalls, hourglass figure on your finger, bring me later. Got my mind spinning faster than equator. Handstands in orbit, steal a glance, cancel the master, contorted. Excuse me, is my manner audacious, love making, break the laws of physics, moons rising, auspicious, and my memory fictitious.
Hello and a very good morning once again YouTube, and I am at Gorgeous Car Detailers again to get the Harley ceramic coated, and also today I'll be giving you guys an idea of what exactly a ceramic coating is, how it works, what are its advantages over a regular Teflon coating. As in the last video, a lot of you have asked me ke ceramic ke faide kya kya hai, and also as usual Raja bhai is here. Bhai, please say hello to everybody. And if you guys have come seeing my previous video, you know who he is. So as you can see, Harley is currently being washed, so they have to just clay it first, wash it first. The procedure, you can see my previous video also wherein my ER6N was done up. So we'll be washing it and everything and doing the buffing and then starting off with the ceramic coating. Foam wash. All we need is a small Brazzers logo by the side of the bike. Time lapse as usual. As you can see, the buffing process has begun. So after buffing, that removes all the tiny mini scratches and all that, and we'll be applying the ceramic coating later on after this. So as you can see, the first layer of ceramic coating has just begun. So Anthony Bhai here is applying the first coat of ceramic on the tank. So what exactly is ceramic coating? The other day I just sat and I was just reading about what ceramic coating exactly is, and is it really useful over Teflon coating? Yes, it is a lot more beneficial than Teflon coating, because as I read, Teflon is based off a wax material which over time fades away and it doesn't really adhere to the paint as much. So you know, with application and reapplication again and again, it's gonna also reduce the life of your paint. Whereas ceramic coating on the other hand, if done properly, is just a one-time job and it's gonna last you for a lifetime. One-time investment hai. So you know, the compound, the ceramic compound, it's a compound, I don't exactly remember the name. It's called coating, okay? There is also ceramic polish. That is different. Ceramic polish and ceramic coating are two different things. So you know, whenever you're going somewhere or you're coming here, you know, idhar to polish ka kaam nahi hoga. You'll only get the coating done, which is the permanent and the best solution. So be wary of that. Also, I don't really remember the exact name of the compound, but it's a compound used in the coating material which sticks to the paint and it reacts with the paint and it becomes a part of the paint. So that way it's not gonna scratch off or fade away over time. You can wash it, and as you all know, it's very much water and fire repellent, so that's also gonna help you a lot.
Soon we will be doing fire tests for this bike.
Yeah, so we had done some tests on a couple of cars like that. Also we'll be doing it on the bike. Piche ke part mein, so we'll be putting a little bit of flammable liquid and lighting it on fire just to show you guys. So that's what ceramic coating is. In the market there are many types of coatings, blah 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 blah, but I'd say ceramic is the best because that's the only coating I really liked and applied on my bike. A lot of people who do detailing, Teflon, blah blah, but I felt that over time with rough usage, and especially bikes go out on the highway a lot, that thing just kind of fades away over time.
So you see the shine starting. You see the shine. Seconds it takes.
You can see how it's shining right now. Once the whole bike is complete, I'll show you around the bike. But yep, so that was what ceramic coating is as far as my knowledge goes. You guys want to research some more, you can always look it up on Google. Let's wait it out. So just now the second coating has also been done. Video won't do much justice to the shiny finish of the bike, but looks really beautiful. Showroom se jaisi dikh rahi. So as usual, I hope the video was informative. I hope you guys now clearly know the difference between a Teflon coating and a ceramic coating. Once again, a big thanks to Anthony, and his shop location, address, everything, his links, everything are down there in the description below, so you guys can go down, click there, and any doubts or anything, or you want to come down, please feel free. So do not try this by yourself at all. This is just a fire test for the ceramic coating. As you can see, we have put a little bit of petrol. So it can withstand temperatures up to 200 degrees Celsius without leaving a mark.